that represents a drop of 4 to 5% perhaps. And I know that today we have the Fed minutes, or not the minutes, but the announcement. I don't know what the hell. And a lot of people who do fundamental analysis are probably going to say, oh, yes, it was indeed Jerome Powell saying whatever he's going to say that tanked the market 4 to 5%. Okay, I can already see it. But again, we're still in a two wave, so it's corrective. But for the longer term, I do think that we're still going long, and my targets are still up here. Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is January 26th, 2022, and Bitcoin is looking like it's in a B wave, okay? More candles, more data, more clear conclusions, in my estimation. When I woke up, first thing, check the charts. That's what jumped out at me. And so I actually just took profit on my long because I'm seeing this whole sort of rise, this entire move as a big B wave. Okay, I was under the estimation that right here, this was a flat correction, and this was the progression of an impulse, basically the third wave. But it's not likely for two reasons. One, the third wave usually is the longest, the most impulsive. And when we're talking about impulse, we're talking about pitch, meaning Elliottians, people in Elliott wave analysis look at the slope of an impulse, right? Like that's not a strong slope. This is a stronger slope, right? You're looking at the verticality, and usually the momentum of the third wave is more vertical than the others, okay? And this to me is unlikely to be a third wave, right? It's very, very unlikely. It's more likely to be an impulse of a diagonal nature, but within a B wave. So what I'm seeing is this is an A wave. This is a B, C of a B wave. Remember, because all of these corrective waves are three waves, right? So your A waves, 1, 2, 3, your B waves, 1, 2, 3, and I foresee we get 5 waves to complete the flat correction finally. So this is going to look something like this when it's all said and done. A, B, C, something like that, okay? So that's what I'm seeing. Obviously, the idea is that we are in an impulsive uptrend, and this is a correction. So I do believe that this is a correction. We're still in the two wave, and this two wave may take Bitcoin down 3 to 4%, maybe 5% today, right? And if we use our trusty Fibonacci extension tool to project the C wave, we would take the top of A. Can I get it? All right, let's zoom in so the magnet can catch a little easier. Top of A, bottom of A, wherever it is, top of B. And so I do expect Bitcoin to return to at least this one Fibonacci extension, maybe the 1, 2, 3, 6, right? basically a retest of this support line, turning previous support to turning previous resistance to support. Okay, I feel like we did that briefly here, but it's going to be done in earnest right there. So that would be, yeah, targeting maybe 36.4 or 36,000 even. And again, that represents a drop of 4 to 5% perhaps. And I know that today we have the Fed minutes, or not the minutes, but the announcement. I don't know what the hell. And a lot of people who do fundamental analysis are probably going to say, oh, yes, it was indeed Jerome Powell saying whatever he's going to say that tanked the market 4 to 5%. Okay, I can already see it. But again, we're still in a two wave, so it's corrective. But for the longer term, I do think that we're still going long, and my targets are still up here, right here. For the third wave, I'm targeting about 42,000, and then for the last and final wave, in this impulse, I'm targeting about 47K. So that's what I'm seeing. Okay, now alternatives in case I'm wrong, right? And you always want to do this. You always want to, no matter how nice the read and how obvious it may seem, you always want to protect yourself against the idea that there's no other possibility, right? Something that's probable is that my initial read was correct, and this two wave was complete here, A, B, C, and that this is the first wave of the third wave. It's the first wave of wave 3, and it's impulsive, and basically we're getting an initial diagonal, and that is going to correct a little bit in its two wave and then shoot up for wave 3. Okay, wave 3 of 3. That is also possible. But I don't like it so much because my volume indicator has been divergent on this uptrend. Okay, even an initial diagonal should be convergent with the volume indicator, but this isn't. So that leads me to believe that this is a B wave and not an initial diagonal, leading to an impulsive third wave, wave 3 of 3, breaking out of this structure, and targeting this region. So that's basically my play. And basically the invalidation of my B wave scenario is simple, right? B waves are invalidated at the 1618. So if you take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of your A wave to the bottom, if this 1618 is broken, it's no longer a B wave. It can't be a B wave. It has to be part of an impulse, meaning it has to be part of an initial diagonal. Okay, so that's around 38.8. So if you're short scalping, if you're scalping, 4 or 5% today, then that would be a great stop loss, not financial advice. That's pretty much it. It's a short and sweet kind of update today. Thank you for joining the live stream last night, and have a great day wherever you are. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.